In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Zendesk Chat, helping to streamline your customer communication process efficiently. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at how you can set this up seamlessly within your Zendesk environment. We'll guide you through ensuring your system is primed and ready for active live chat engagement with your customers. First, we need to make sure the agent workspace in your Zendesk Admin Center is properly enabled. This workspace is crucial as it serves as the central hub where all interactions and communications are undertaken by your support agents. To get started, navigate to the Admin Center. Once there, look for the tab labeled Workspaces. Under this section, you'll find Agent Workspace. It's important to verify that Agent Workspace is indeed enabled. This configuration is fundamental because it allows your agents to have a comprehensive view of all interactions and enables them to deliver seamless support experiences. Once you have confirmed that your agent workspace is up and running, let's move on to the next stage of enabling your live chat or messaging channels. Head over to the Channels section found within the Admin Center. This is where you'll see an array of communication methods available for integration with your Zendesk platform. Next, you'll want to select Messaging and Social. Here, you'll find various options for configuring how your agents will interact with your customers via different messaging platforms. In this list, locate Messaging. This crucial step is where the empowering transformation for your customer interaction takes place. Find the section specifically dedicated to the web widget, as this will drive the live chat experience for your website visitors. Ensure that the option for live chat mode within your web widget settings is toggled on. Activating this setting is key to providing real-time assistance and personalized interaction, which can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and resolution times. By following these steps, you will harness the full power of the Zendesk chat features. Enabling this chat feature offers your customers instant access to support within seconds, which is remarkably beneficial for improving customer satisfaction scores and promoting a proactive support culture. There you have it. With these straightforward steps, your Zendesk platform is now poised to offer robust live chat functionality, enabling you and your team to deliver exceptional customer service. Remember, keeping a smooth, interactive, and instant communication channel with your customers can create a significant difference in their overall experience. Thanks for joining me in setting up the Zendesk chat, and happy chatting.